Welcome to my channel. My name is Femi Akinwale. I'm a chartered accountant. I've worked in an insurance and finance company for more than 25 years. So today, we shall be looking at very important topics, especially most of my community members has been asking me, please, let us have this video on this particular topic. So the topic is how to invest in Nigerian stocks and make a steady income. How to invest in Nigeria and make a steady income. Before we go straight to the business we have for today, if it is the first day you are seeing my channel, what I just want you to do for me to subscribe to my channel, like this video so that you should be able to share it to so many people. At the same time, when you are subscribing to my channel, open up the bell notification so that whenever I'm giving out a valuable video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch. So quickly, let's dive straight to the business we have for today because I don't want to let this video to be too long. Do you want to earn passive income in Nigeria without doing any business? Today, I will be revealing to you how you can take advantage of Nigerian stock market and make a steady income of your investment. I can assure you, people are now getting to know that Nigeria is the largest economy in Africa. And I can assure you, a lot of people have been saying, I will invest in US stock, I will invest in Nigerian stock. But I can tell you, last year alone, Nigeria stocks, people that invested in Nigeria stock gained up to 33%, while the US stocks gained about 16%. You can see now, people are neglecting what is good. So I can assure you, either you are in diaspora or in Nigeria, investing in Nigerian stocks is a critical way of making money. It's a critical way of making money. So, but let's quickly do an introduction. What do you know or do you understand by shares? Shares is just like buying share. Buy a stake in any company, in a major company, blue chip company. For example, like Zenith, like Dangote, that buy a tiny shares out of there, and you are now a part owner of that particular company. So whenever the company share make profit after deducting tax and they have their net profit, you are entitled to be share as dividend as part owner of that business. And where can you buy it? It's on the stock of exchange. The stock of exchange is where the buyer and the seller meets. So that if I want to buy share now, you cannot buy share. You have to buy it through stock of exchange. That is what we are talking about. Let me give you analysis of a friend that invested 1 million naira in the GTB bank. That was last year. That was last year when the share price was about 45 naira. You know, he bought 22,000 worth of shares. Today, current price of that particular share is about 76 naira. 76 naira. Current price as yesterday, the price of GTCO was about 76 naira. You can look at the margin between 45 to 36. That means he has gained about 31. You understand? So if you multiply that with the current plan, the guy has gained up to 1,688,000, almost 80% of his investment. That is the beauty of Nigerian stock for you. That is the beauty of Nigerian stock for you. What are the benefits of investing in Nigerian stocks? What are the benefits for capital appreciation? As I've just explained to you, you can buy at lower price and sell at higher price. That is what we mean by capital appreciation. For example, you buy at 20 naira and the price has gone up to 40 naira. You know the margin. That is the capital appreciation. At the same time, you make money through dividend. Some companies pay dividend on quarterly basis, while some companies pay on yearly basis. There are some, at the end of this video, I'll be giving you the companies that actually they have been consistent in dividend payment. I can assure you, if you can invest those companies, but you must do your own research, I can assure you will not regret that you do that. Therefore, dividend income, you know, as I've said, you can hand dividend out of the profit they share, they declare dividend to all shareholders, and you be a partaker of that dividend based on the number of shares you have in that particular company. For example, the one I told you, when they bought 1 million naira worth of shares of GT, when they declare 8 naira 30 kobo, 8 naira 30 kobo, 8 naira 30 kobo this year. You can multiply by 22,000. That's around 178,000 naira that you will collect as dividend. That is the beauty of investing in a Nigerian stock market. At the same time, for inflation edge, you know, stocks is for a long time period. I can assure you the inflation rate, it will edge out the inflation rate, especially if inflation rate is 20%, you can get as much as 40% when you invest in stocks. So it will edge out the loss of values of money as a result of inflation. At the same time, the benefit is liquidity. You can sell your share at will. Any point in time when you view that you need to sell your share when the price appreciated, you just sell. You just fill a form or you instruct your broker, or if you are operating online, you can just click sell. Immediately, your share will be sold. Within 3 days, the money will be transferred to to the designated account that you have set up at the beginning of entry, and you are registered with brokers. Because we need broker for you to be able to, you need a brokerage firm for you to be able to invest in Nigerian stock market. At the same time, for diversification, that is, when you invest in stock, it allows you to diversify in different sectors. You can diversify into banking industry, you can diversify into consumer goods, oil and gas, what have you, so that you spread your tentacles across different sectors like oil and gas, like banking sector, insurance sector, commercial good telecommunication sector. That is the beauty of investing in Nigerian stock market. At the same time, you have access to transparent Nigerian market, where you can easily know your stock by registering with broker. You can view your stock at any point in time. You can look at your valuation. That is the beauty. At the same time, low entry barrier. You can enter with little amount as 1,000 naira, with 5,000 naira, with 10,000 naira. You can start your investment journey, and you are consistent with it. That is what we are talking about. At the same time, another advantage of investing in Nigerian stock is whenever you have a capitalization, is exempted from tax purposes. That's what I'm telling you. So it has tax advantage. Any stocks listed on Nigerian Stock Exchange is, it's allowable for tax purposes. That is exactly what we can say. At the same time, exposure to largest African economy when you buy stock in Nigeria. These are just the benefits of investing in Nigeria stocks. So how do you go about this kind of Nigerian stock? How do you go about it? How do you participate? It's very simple. You need a broker for you to be able to participate in Nigeria, to buy shares in the Nigerian Stock Exchange. You need a broker. So you can register by physical, by presentation with a broker. That is, go to the office and then fill form, submit all your necessary documents, your identification, proof of address, BVN, you submitted them. Or to make it easier for you, you can register online. There are some platforms that are very good. You can register on Bamboo, you can register on Trove, you can register on Chaka, you can register on AfriInvest 2.0. Me, I use AfriInvest 2.0 and Bamboo, which they are user friendly. So you just register on it, register appropriately, upload all your identification, either your international passport, your NIN, upload your selfie or your passport. You upload them, your signature specimen, you upload them. When you upload them, your bank details. Bank is very important. You specify your bank details, so that whenever you have dividend, they can automatically pay into your account. And when you sell your shares, if you don't give them instruction, they will pay directly to your bank account. But you can give them instruction that, okay, don't pay it to my bank account, you can pay it directly to my brokerage account, so that I can use it to buy share. Because it's very good. Instead of paying it directly to your bank, that you spend the money, the dividend as it comes in, you can use it to buy more shares, so that you gain more investment. That is what we are talking about. These are documents that you need, very easy, to operate. When you need to register, I think on this my channel, I've bought shares through AfriInvest 2.0. At the same time, I've bought shares through Bamboo, which you can look at the video and make a way for you to be able to do this kind of investments. So top dividend stocks that you can buy, there are some like in the like of Zenith Bank, in the like of Dangote. Dangote declared 30 naira per share this year. In the like of GT Bank, this week and declare almost more than 8 naira share this year. You can buy in the like of Zenith Bank. These are companies that are doing well. Fidelity Bank, they are companies that are doing well. Fidelity Banks, Seplat Energy, Total Energy. These are companies that pay consistent dividend, which I think you can look at that. But you do your own research for you to be able to know what to be able to do what to do. How do you now research? How do you know the stock to buy? It's by true fundamental analysis. We have fundamental analysis, we have technical analysis. But fundamental analysis, look at the company itself. That is their financials, their management, the product they are selling, the market position. How competitive are they in the market? Are they in the high position? These are the areas you can look at it. Their future prospects. These are the areas you can look at before you decide on which company to buy. You do your fundamental analysis to be sure, to be convinced. What we are saying here is to guide you. But you too, you need to do your own research for you to be able to know that to be totally convinced by yourself that definitely if I invest in this kind of stocks, there are blue chip stocks that definitely if the price go down, then the price must come down. And I want to tell you that you don't just invest in the stock market. You invest in stock market for long time horizons. You don't need to put it as a short time so that you don't need to entertain any fear. Maybe the price will go up, the price will go up. No, if you leave it for some time, you have a financial goal. Okay, I want to invest 1 million naira in stocks for the next 4 years. You put it there, then you see how your money is growing. Long-time investment is what is meant for Nigerian stock investment, not for short time. Not for short time, because the price can come down, but I can assure you the price will still go up. So these are just the way to go about stock market. At the same time, you need to be, there are some mistakes that you need to be avoid. So don't follow the hype stock blindly. If somebody says you go and buy this share, no, do your own research. Be confused by your share. Do the financial analysis. When you do your own financial analysis, check what they are doing. You look at the company yourself. What are the past records of their profit margin? What are the dividend history? So that you'll be able to know which stock for you to be able to buy. This that investing in Nigerian stock is a very good way of making money. I can assure you. Most of our millionaires, they make their money through buying shares in the stock market. They can buy majority share and have a control of that particular organization. That is the beauty of a Nigerian stock market for you. Then at the same time, these are the mistakes. You must avoid panic. That is, the price is going down. Let me quickly say, no. That's why you have to leave your investment for a longer period of time for you to be able to make meaningful of your investment. Investment in Nigerian stock is for a long time. So if you have that long time, don't look at the prices. Just put it there. But maybe occasionally, in 2, 3, or 3 months, you go and look at your valuation. If you use average 2.0 on every week, they will be giving you your valuation. You will know how your money is growing. At interval, you can know the value of the valuation of your stocks, of your portfolio. That is what we are talking about. And then don't invest everything in one single sector. You can diversify into different kind of sector. If you pay, maybe you have some, for example, you have 1 million to invest. You can say 20% to go to banking, 20% to go oil and gas, 20% to go to commercial goods, some 20% to go to telecommunication, so that you diversify your economy. They always research finance, report and dividend policy. You research about their dividend policy, and these are the way to go about investing in Nigerian stocks. So what I will advise you is the best option for you is there are so many investments, but I can assure you, you cannot do away with Nigerian stock market. I can assure you, Nigerian stock market, the last 6 months, have gained up to 33% compared to US stocks that is just 16%. That is what we are talking about. So investing in stock is a journey for you to be able to get wealth. Let me put it that way. Investing in Nigerian stock, you cannot go away with it. Try as much as possible. Invest in a blue chip company. Invest ETF in Nigeria. We have ETF, we have Stanbic ETFs, we have a Vetiva ETF. You can buy this ETF on the stock of exchange and make a lot of money. I hope you enjoyed this video. Well, if you enjoyed the video, what I just want you to do for me to subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, at the same time, turn on the bell notification. And specifically, I want to beg you, I want you to go ahead now and like this video. It means a lot to us. Like this video, it means a lot for me. So that YouTube will be able to share it to so many people. Organic YouTube will be able to share it automatically to different people when you like this video. And at the same time, I want you to comment if you want me to give you more than stocks updates of what you can buy on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis. I can be able to do that. But you too, you have to do your own research. I will recommend that you too, you do your own research. Thank you for watching this video to the end and for subscribing to my channel. Thank you. God bless you.